welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to go ahead and do a natural glam makeup look. So we're going to go from this into this. This in about 15 minutes. So you guys ready for this video? Because I don't even know what I'm going to do yet, but I want it to be super pretty soft glam. And I also want to let you guys know the brows are already put on because it's a head start. So let's get right into this video.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to go ahead and go right into this soft glam makeup tutorial. So go ahead and prime your guys' eyelids. I am just using this Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I just love the application of a concealer, the shadows on a concealer. So just smudge that out with your guys' beauty blender. This is the Real Techniques Beauty Sponge. Right after that, we're going to go ahead into our favorite primer. If you don't have a primer, go ahead and put a lotion, a hydrating lotion. It'll do the same thing as a primer, trust me, you guys. So, yeah. Right after that, we're going to hop into our eyeshadows. Eyeshadow palette I'll be using is the Subculture by Anastasia Beverly Hills. We're going to go right into that orange shadow and pop that on our crease as our transition color. And I'm just going to start blending it out slowly and just intensifying the look as I go. Now I'm just making sure everything's blended out and all spreaded through all my eyelid. So we're going to go into Glitterati, and this eyeshadow is super pretty. If you guys don't have it, try to get your guys' hand on it. It is $5. I'll try to leave a link down below if I can find it. If not, I'm just going to leave you guys the ColourPop website link so you guys can go ahead and see their amazing shadows. They're amazing, you guys. I don't know what I was doing before them. So now I'm just intensifying where I didn't want the glitter to be, the eyeshadow Glitterati to be, so just blend it. We're going to go ahead and apply our lashes. This is like our lash primer before we put our falsies on. It just makes them so much stronger and stick together so much better. Eyelashes I'll be applying today is the Salon Perfect Go Glam Beauty Blogger Favorite, and these are just bomb. I don't know if they're named Beauty Blogger Favorite anymore, but they were last year's, but this year's packaging is a little bit different, so I think they removed that off the packaging. But you guys, these are so wispy, so long, and so pretty. And I just try to get them as close to my lash line as I can because they look natural and just as that much prettier. So yeah, just want to let you guys know, I don't let the glue get full tacky. It's not as wet as it is when you first put it on there. It's like in the verge of being tacky, and then I apply them, and I notice it lasts all day. Like if I fall asleep with my eyelashes, they'll still be popping the next day. So yeah, that's what I do. Get them as close to that lash line as possible. And of course, my husband's rushing me. So this is the foundation I've been using, and oh my god, you guys, this foundation is $6, and I don't know where it's been all my life, but this foundation, I don't know if it's because it's hydrating or it has a serum in it. I don't know. Oh my god, it's bomb, you guys. I will be leaving that link down below. Get your hands on it or go to your local Walmart right now. Get up and go get this foundation because you guys will not be missing out. Like, look at it. All my redness is just disappearing within the foundation. My nose doesn't look ashy. This foundation is just amaze balls. Like, it's just amazing. I love it. As well, it carries vitamin D, and it has the sunscreen in it. So, look at it. It just looks so, like, oh my god. I just love the finish of this foundation. It looks so beautiful on the skin. You guys need to go get it. Like, my skin just looks so healthy with this foundation. Okay, we're gonna go right into concealer to highlight our areas we normally would highlight. So I'm just gonna go under the eye area. And if you guys haven't tried the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, go, you guys, try it out, you guys. It is so good. Like, it's really good. It's thick. The consistency blends out so easy. You guys need this in your life. Like, it's so bomb. It's so easy to blend. And that's what I'm applying with, obviously, my Real Techniques beauty sponge. So now I'm gonna set my eyes, and anywhere I just apply the product at so it doesn't crease on me. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this with the beauty sponge, and I shaked it before I got to open it. It's like it exploded on my hand. And this is Airspun as well, be linked down below. It's my favorite, obviously, as you can tell. That's all I use. So now I'm just going to remove all that eyeshadow, setting powder, so that I don't look ashy, because your girl do not like looking ashy. It just doesn't look healthy. Okay, I know I've been saying everything's my favorite on this video. This should have just been a favorites video. But oh my gosh. This bronzer, Cashmere by Physician Formula, it's so pretty. It's so freaking pretty. If you're an ivory skin tone like olive, it's so pretty. Like, I love this bronzer. I just love everything I'm using in this video. I don't show the blush I use, but I just want to go ahead and let you guys know. It is Luminoso again from Milani Cosmetics. I'm just trying to contour my nose. I really still don't know how to contour my nose. I just act like I know what I'm doing, but I kind of don't, because my nose doesn't really look that different. The other day I did it, and my nose kind of looked bigger instead of smaller. So, yeah, just be careful with this. So I do learn this technique. I did learn this technique from JLo. She highlights, she contours her lips so they look juicier and plumper when she applies her lipsticks, and it works, you guys. It works. Okay, guys, so I know this is an eyeshadow palette, but I like to use that as a highlighter. I just think it's so pretty. Like, look at it. It's so pretty. Like, it's just, you guys need this too. You guys just need everything I'm using in this video. It's amazing. Like, ugh. Look at it. It's so shiny. It's just like so healthy being highlighted. It just looks so good. And it just makes you feel good. If you look good, you feel good. So just put a ton of that highlight on. And if someone will say something, be like, did I ask for your information or your opinion? No, don't opinionate when you ain't being opinionated. Okay? So let's go right into that color and put that on our bottom lash line, just to give us our eye just the dimension as the same as the top, is where it is the same color and it looks super soft. But it's like, hey, I'm shy but seductive. You know what I mean? So that's what I was going for. This mascara is freaking bomb, you guys. Oh my god, everything is just bomb. Like, Drugstore is the bomb. I love me some Drugstore. So after that, I'm just going to take off the rest of the powder off my face because I don't like looking cakey. If you like looking cakey, you do you, boo. It looks good on some people, but just me, it don't look good. So, like always, my Rose Water by Mario Badescu. After that, I believe we go into our lips. Yup. This is Huda Beauty. I'm not too sure what lipstick, but I'll be leaving it linked down below for you guys. It's so pretty. Huda Beauty lipsticks are really good. Expensive, but real good. So that's it for this makeup tutorial. Go ahead, share it, like, and comment, and subscribe. I love you so much. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.
No es la misma y me da más.